Imagine a vast, inky black sky. Stars twinkle like diamonds, scattered across the cosmic canvas. Suddenly, a streak of light pierces the darkness, a celestial ballet of technology and wonder. What is it that makes this marvel of engineering possible? What does a spaceship really do? For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars, dreaming of the day they could reach out and touch them. The cosmos is a vast, unexplored frontier, teeming with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Spaceships are our vessels of exploration, our tools for reaching beyond the boundaries of our planet. The primary function, transportation. At its core, a spaceship is a vehicle designed for transportation. It's like a car, but for the vast expanse of space. It can carry people, equipment, and even other spacecraft to destinations far beyond our reach. This transportation is essential for scientific research, space tourism, and even potential colonization of other planets. Scientific exploration, the eyes and ears of humanity. Spaceships are equipped with a vast array of scientific instruments that allow us to study the universe in ways we never thought possible. Telescopes, spectrometers, and other devices collect data on stars, planets, galaxies, and even black holes. This information helps us understand the origins of the universe, the nature of dark matter and dark energy, and the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Communication and data transmission. Spaceships also serve as vital communication hubs. They can relay information back to Earth, allowing us to monitor distant planets and celestial bodies in real time. This communication is essential for scientific research, as well as for maintaining contact with astronauts and other space explorers. Space tourism, a new frontier. In recent years, space tourism has become a reality. Spaceships are being developed to transport paying passengers to the edge of space or even into orbit. This offers a unique and unforgettable experience, allowing people to witness the Earth from a completely new perspective and experience the thrill of weightlessness. Potential for colonization, a new home for humanity. As our planet faces increasing challenges, the idea of colonizing other worlds has become more appealing. Spaceships could play a crucial role in transporting people, supplies, and materials to potential new homes, such as Mars or the moons of other planets. This would require significant technological advancements, but it's a goal that many scientists and engineers are working towards. So, what does the spaceship do? It's a vehicle for exploration, a scientific laboratory, a communication hub, a tourist attraction, and potentially the vessel for a new era of human civilization. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable curiosity about the universe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.